Next up on Math for Gaming, we have truth tables. So basically a truth table is just a table of things that you know are true and are not true using our propositions. So we're going to do our first proposition. If the sun is out, today will be sunny. Okay, so for this, we have our first condition, which we're going to label to be P. So if the sun is out, if P. So sun is out is P. Ooh, that is not a good color to do that with. So if sun is out is P. So I'm just going to label that P right there. And we have 4 choices just due to combinatorics. Sorry. True, true, false, false. Because these are the total possibilities. That might be a little bit confusing for right now, but let's just accept this as a fact. It's more just building a familiarity with these truth tables rather than like really being able to do more complex computations with them. So now let's find our second statement, which we're going to call Q, which will be today will be sunny. Okay, so today will be sunny is our second statement. Okay, so Q. So if we have this, then we have one of them is going to be true, true. One of them is going to be true, false. These are just all the possibilities for outcomes in our statement. So there's a possibility for them both to be true. There's a possibility for them both to, or for one to be true, one to be false. There's a possibility for P to be false and Q to be true, and both to be false. So then we have P and then Q. So this might look a little weird, and you'll be like, what does this mean? This is this. P and then Q is all of our entire statement. This just means our statement. So if the sun is out, so the sun is out in this statement. So for true, true, what this is saying is the sun is out and it's sunny. If this is what's going on today in our weather, is our statement true? Yes, it is. Now, true, false. So our statement P is true. So if the sun is out, so the sun is out, but it's not sunny. So if the sun is out but it's not sunny, is our statement true? It's false. So let's try another one to see if there's a pattern. So if the sun is not out and today is sunny, does that make like it? If the sun is out and today, if the sun is not out, it doesn't say anything about our second statement. So the sun is not out. It's true. It's if our first condition is false, we can't say that it's true or false. So it always just defaults to true.